Boost your sales with Amazon Sellers Coupons. Today, we're going to talk about how you can boost your sales on Amazon by using Sellers Coupons. As an Amazon seller, it's important to stay ahead of the competition and offer attractive deals to your customers. Coupons are a great way to entice shoppers and drive more sales. So, let's dive in and learn how you can make the most of Amazon Sellers Coupons. What are Amazon Sellers Coupons? Amazon sellers have various promotional strategies to satisfy consumers' desire for discounts and special offers, and coupons are one of them. These coupons are discount promotions designed to help buyers save money. When shoppers come across a product with an orange banner below the price, they know that a coupon is available. By ticking the box next to the coupon, buyers can save up to 50% on their purchase. Benefits of using coupons. Now, you might be wondering, are coupons really beneficial for your Amazon business? The answer is a resounding yes. Coupons can benefit your business in several ways. 1. Launching new products. When you launch a new product, buyers may be hesitant to make a purchase without any reviews or ratings. However, offering a coupon can encourage them to take a chance and try your product at a discounted price. 2. Exceeding target sales. Studies show that consumers who use coupons tend to purchase more than they initially intended. By offering coupons, you can incentivize buyers to add more items to their cart, resulting in increased sales. 3. Off-season boost. During slow months, when business is typically slow, offering coupons with tempting markdowns can help stir up interest and drive sales. 4. Gain reviews. Positive reviews play a crucial role in boosting sales. Convincing buyers to leave reviews can be challenging, but statistics show that consumers are more likely to leave a review if they purchase a product using a coupon. 5. Reduce stocks. If you're a wholesaler or private label seller, offering coupons can help reduce excess stock and create space for new supplies. 6. Changing perception. Coupons can also change consumers' perception of your brand. By offering discounts, you can build trust and loyalty among customers. Coupons versus promotions. If you go to the advertising section of your Amazon seller account, you'll see that coupons and promotions are offered separately. That's because they differ in the action they require from buyers. Promo-based discounts automatically apply, and you can immediately see the discounted price below the product thumbnail, while coupons have to be redeemed by ticking a box. There's a reason why Amazon decided to add ticking a box to the process of redeeming a coupon. They say that putting extra effort into getting what you want makes the purchase feel more rewarding. It is better than automatically showing a discounted price. This isn't to say promotions work less effectively than coupons in driving traffic to your Amazon store. Amazon eases the risk of showing a product's discounted price after promotion by also showing the original price. The problem is that doing so might reduce the consumer's expected price, making it almost impossible to bring the price up again without getting some sort of backlash. How to create coupons on Amazon. Creating coupons on Amazon is a simple process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Here's a shortened version of the steps to create coupons on Amazon. 1. Go to Coupons on your Amazon seller dashboard. 2. Click Create a new coupon on the top right corner. 3. Select a product from your inventory and provide details like the expiration date and discount type, % off or $1 off. 4. Set a title for your coupon that accurately describes your product. 5. Choose your target market, all customers, Amazon Prime members, etc. 6. Review the details and submit your coupon. 7. Remember that once a coupon is submitted and approved, you can't update its details. If you need to make changes, delete the coupon and create a new one. Considerations and disadvantages. While coupons offer many advantages, there are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Cost. Offering coupons comes with a fee per redeemed coupon, so make sure to factor that into your profit calculation. 2. Profit margins. If your profit margins are too small, you may end up losing money. However, the exposure and long-term benefits for your brand can outweigh the costs. And there you have it. By utilizing Amazon Sellers Coupons, you can boost your sales, attract more customers, and increase your brand's visibility. Remember to create compelling coupons, monitor their performance, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So, why wait? Start using coupons today and take your Amazon business to new heights. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and insights for Amazon sellers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!